Welcome back to my channel. Today we begin a 3-part series with my friend Candace. I will be giving you glimpses into her looks, but to see how she does her looks, you will have to go to her channel and I will leave the link below. But our series is ColourPop holiday looks, and the first one we are doing is the Thanksgiving look. And because this is full face ColourPop, I'm going to use as much ColourPop products as I can. But the palettes I think I'm going to go with are going to be Orange Glad and Mean Squeeze. I know, not completely Thanksgiving-y, but that's what we're going to go with. First product I am using is the ColourPop Hydrating Hydraulic Acid Primer. And I'm going to use this all over my face. Typically I use a primer or an eye primer on my eyes, but they don't have an eye primer, so I'm just going to stick with the face primer all over my face. And I am also going to use just a little bit of the concealer on my eyes, because my eyes, my face, it's always a little red. I always do my eyes first just because, like, well, I'm a mess, and when it comes to cleaning up eyeshadow, I clean it up and then I go back over with everything else, so. Okay, so now that's done. We are going to go in with their pomades. I have two, Brown Monate and Dope Top. Yeah, whatever. I'm sure I say things wrong and I don't really care. I'm going to start with this one, the Taupe, and then I go in with the other one to darken it. Do not follow my eyebrows because, like, I really suck at eyebrows. I know that. I really do well, and I probably will edit out a lot of my eyebrow stuff because I'm not good at it. Alright, I have eyebrows. Are they wonderful? No, they are not, but I have eyebrows. So we will move on into some color, and we are going to start with Orange Glad, and I'm going to use this Zest color right here. Okay, so I think now I'm going to go in with Rise and Grind right here. Okay, so now I think I'm going to switch gears a little bit and go in with You Peel Me right there. Okay, so now I'm going to switch over to the Main Squeeze, and I'm going to go in with Seed Money and Red Bottom. That's Seed Money and Red Bottom. Okay, so those are all mattes. Now we're going to go into some shinier colors, and I think these oranges are a little too orange for the way I'm going to go with a holiday look for Thanksgiving, so I'm going to put this aside. And I am going to use these shimmer colors in the main squeeze palette under my eyes. And I'm probably going to use this Juicy Fruit one in the corner as well. Okay, those are the shimmers under the eyes. I used this in the corner, this and kind of right in here, and then this one on the outer part. So now I am going to go in with some glitter because this is holiday, and that's also why I stuck to the mattes on top, because I knew I was going to go in glitter, and I like to use shimmer under the eyes because what it does is it really kind of helps bring out your eyes a little bit, and it kind of makes them pop a little. So I have a glitter palette here, and that is what it looks like, Thanksgiving-y. I think I am going to go in with this orange one here and this one right here because it's still Thanksgiving-y. So I'm just going to use my finger and dab away. Okay, there is the glitter, and I need to get a wipe because I don't need that all over my face. Alright, so for the bottom liner, I am going to go in Get Paid. Actually, no, I don't want that. I changed my mind. I think I'm going to go with a red. No. This is what I'm going to go in with. This is part of their new line. This is Joyride. And that's going to be my bottom liner. Okay, there is the bottom liner, and let's see, I have ColourPop eyeliners in liquid, and when I do glitter I usually do a liquid liner just because it goes over the glitter better, but I don't think these colors are what I'm going for, because I have like a red, a blue, and a green. I could probably get away with the red, but again, that's not really what I want. So I am going to use a liquid liner, It Superhero, and go and do the top liner. So there is the top liner in black, and now I'm going to go in with mascara. The mascara I am using is Wine O'Clock, and I'm going to go over both the top and the bottom lashes with this. So this mascara is on. If you can see, it kind of deepens the brown tones and stuff a little bit. Looks really nice. The red tones, I think it's pretty. Anyways, but I do want to, because I'm not going to use false flashes, and I rarely put them on, I am going to go on the edges of my top lashes with It Superhero Cosmetics mascara. Okay, so there are the eyes. Let's go into the rest of the face. So I am going to go back in with the concealer and do a little bit under my eyes. I don't really use a lot of product to cover my face because I believe that you should have really good skincare. If you have excellent skincare, you won't need a lot of concealer and foundation, and it's really not good to put tons of that on your face anyways, because that's a good source of your breakouts. So yeah, so I do a little bit and then I blend away because I think extreme contrasting is weird. I mean, I know a lot of people do it, but I think it's weird. You know, when the center of your face is white and the edges of your face is brown, you kind of look more dirty than anything. You don't really look like you're achieving much. I use concealer for exactly that, concealing. Alright, so next we are going in with foundation. This is Fair 15, and of course, again, it's ColourPop. So I don't have any ColourPop contour, so I'm going to use Purr here, and this is Mineral Glow. And I don't really do a lot of contouring because, I mean, if you're of reasonable age and you remember the 90s bad foundation, you are triggered by heavy contouring because it reminds you of really bad foundation. Plus, again, like I said, it kind of comes off more like you have dirty skin than anything. Now, I'm not against contouring, and if you think I'm judgy, clearly you probably are really too young to remember, and you probably need to talk to your parents about that. And I am not super skilled at this. I don't care to be. Some of y'all might be, but you know, whatever. But like I said, it's just really to make my face not look so flat, because I am so white, so it's kind of nice to have a little extra dimension on my face. And see, that's literally about all the contouring I do because I don't feel like I need it. You know, maybe some of y'all think you do, but I can promise you, you don't. Then I go in with some blush, and we are going to go in with the ColourPop Frisky Business Peach one here. Kind of goes in the same color range. So for the powder, I've got the translucent no filter setting powder. That is what we are using. And clearly I don't bake. You know, if you have dry skin and you're of a certain age, you probably don't. You know, people with wrinkles, usually when they set, it's usually not a good experience. I mean, I know some people do, but like, I don't recommend it. Okay, so there is the powder. And now we are going to do highlight, and we are going to do the Flexitarian Super Shock Cheek here. I'm going to set it and then do my lips. And I've got the ColourPop Pretty Fresh hyaluronic acid setting mist because my face is dry. Okay, so we need some lip color. I think I'm gonna go in with this one right here. I think that'll be pretty. And there we go. That is my Thanksgiving look, and I think that if you want extra glitter, you can go over the top of it with like a glitter gloss, but I'm not going to do that right now. I probably will later because I like glitter. But that is my finished look, and I will put in the corner, maybe this corner, maybe that corner, I don't know. I'm going to put in the corner my friend Candace's finished Thanksgiving look, and hopefully you will go check her out because she is pretty awesome. And that is it. If you liked this series, let me know. Maybe we do another one. Maybe we do a different brand. Just leave your comments below. If you would like me to do more tutorials, let me know. Other than that, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.